Hi everyone, my name's Max with National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 Indian Super Chief Limited. We're going to be scrolling through the listing on our website, which you can see for yourself by going to nationalpowersports.net and searching up the item ID we have posted in the top left corner, or by clicking the link in the description. Let's get into it. To start off, this bike has 4,194 miles and passes New Hampshire state inspection. We'll take a scroll through our comprehensive list of checks. We measured this vehicle's charging output at 14.2 volts, its front tire tread depth at 430 seconds, and its rear tire tread depth at 530 seconds. We didn't note any other mechanical concerns, and when we test rode this vehicle, we found it to run, shift, and handle properly with no abnormal sounds or vibrations. We also published the actual service repair order, so you can see exactly what we did to this bike and what we invested in it when we had it through our shop. For a bike of this age and mileage, we're going to point out everything we can see as flaws not caused by normal riding. And on this, that's a blemish on the exhaust and a tear in the saddlebag. This bike comes with one fob and comes from the factory with ABS, cruise control, keyless ignition, and navigation. This bike is a clear title, and we've also provided a CycleCheck's vehicle history report so you can see all the details of that clear title. This bike does come with a warranty, a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage options are available as well. Finally, we offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.